Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Paul here at Paul Phillips Fix. I picked a nice rainy day to replace the hood ornament on my W210 Mercedes. Let's see if I can film this for you guys. But hopefully you'll be able to see it. So, you got the hood ornament down here. The way it's fastened, you see this silver part? Right here, you got to get on there with a plier and turn that 90 degrees. Spin it counterclockwise, 90 degrees. Can't tell what you can see. So I'm on here, I'm just going to go 90 degrees counterclockwise, maybe a little bit further. Then the hood ornament should pop out of the top, which it does. Hey, that's the old one out of there. Then I got the new one. It is located in the same direction. You turn this 90 degrees. Yeah, see, that one's locked. I gotta unlock it. Let's see if I can get that in there now. Make sure it's straight. Alright, I lined it up. Now I'm gonna turn that. That's it, guys. I gotta see if I can get that part out of the engine bay. I think it went underneath. That's fucking classic. So that's a brand new piece of junk. Defective. I got a defective item. Well, I'm not posting this video. So here's what happened. This wasn't bent in tight enough. This little clip. I just had to bend it in a little bit. Then I got it to lock. So it was just a manufacturer defect. It's only sheet metal stuff that's stamped out and bent. And they didn't quite bend it enough. So it was a Mercedes part. I'll show you the box right here. Can even give you the part number, I think. Yeah. It's A210-880-0186. So that's how you put a hood ornament in a Mercedes W210 when the hood ornament's fucked up. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe out there. Take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you. Take good care of the ones you love and your families, and take good care of yourselves. Take good care of your puppies. Adopt a rescue puppy. They need a home. Give puppies a home. Don't go to those puppy mills. Bye, guys.